But let's dig into the odds to the White House, or at least the betting odds. We're joined now by Sarbjit Bakhshi, Smarkets head of political markets. Sarbjit, thank you so much for coming back to speak with me today. I'm wondering if you can tell us all where we stand now. I saw that President Donald Trump has actually jumped a little bit in the betting market.
Yeah, so last time I spoke to you was on Friday. We've had another $3 million traded on our market. So we're currently at $18 million to decide who the next president of the US is going to be. And we have Joe Biden at 67%, Donald Trump at 33%. We've seen a slight increase on Biden from the last time we spoke on Friday by 1%. But it seems heading into the final straight that Biden is 67% to win.
All right. So Biden, of course, is forecasted to win. But talk to me about the odds of a delayed election result, according to your bettors. I'm seeing that it seems as if nearly 50% are saying that they don't think Donald Trump is going to concede.
So we have a special market just in case Donald Trump doesn't win this election, whether he will actually graciously step down, concede the election, and hand over peacefully to Joe Biden. Our market is saying that, yes, that he would do that. 58% are saying that he will step aside if he loses the election. But interestingly, 46% saying no. So it's good. It's on the right side of things, but perhaps not as strong as you would like to see in this kind of market.
So I know that you gave us some of the odds of Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. However, I know that you guys are also looking at the Electoral College and the path to victory. Can you break down that for us?
Sure. So obviously, we have state level maps, state level markets where people can trade who's going to win, and then we aggregate that together to an electoral college map. Currently, we're looking at 312 electoral college votes for Democrats versus 226 for the Republicans. So it's a comfortable Democrat victory. But breaking that down even further into the key states, you have things like Florida, which we've talked about before, is essential for Donald Trump. And we're showing 58% chance that the Republicans will take Florida. So that's good news for Donald Trump. But then shifting across to Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania is a state that Joe Biden needs to take. So where does that stand? And that's looking at 68% for Joe Biden in Pennsylvania. And that's part of that whole Rust Belt, that if they all go to Biden, Florida is not important anymore to Biden's victory. But even moving across slightly to North Carolina, that's at 51%. That is a crazy toss up. No one knows which way that's going to go. Plenty of drama left in this election, I can tell you that.
Plenty of drama, but is there plenty of money left in the market right now, Sarbjit? I know you had a very lofty gamble there. You said that the betting market was going to double by today, just over the weekend. I know you mentioned some $3 million, but how much more do you think is going to be pouring into this betting market?
Well, this market has been changing all the time. You know, when I was looking up the data to give to you, I was just trying to keep them still in some way, but they just kept moving and they kept moving. So enormous sums of money are going on. Like I said on Friday, that we have twice as many people trading on Trump to win than Joe Biden. But the people who are betting on Joe Biden are matching that dollar for dollar, and in fact are betting twice as much on a Biden victory than Trump. So these crazy dynamics are just pushing this market further and further. And you'd expect if one side was unbalanced to the other side, we'd see a big shift. But what's happening is for every dollar that Trump supporters are putting onto our market, Biden supporters are willing to put up $2. It's crazy. It's crazy. And I think we're very much heading towards double the amount that we got on Friday by the end of tonight.